Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a fun and healthy way to connect with others, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore how to start your very own seniors walking group. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise. It's easy on the joints, requires no special equipment, and is perfect for all fitness levels. Plus, it's a wonderful way to socialize and enjoy the outdoors. So let's get started on creating a walking group that's right for you. Benefits of starting a walking group. First, let's highlight the benefits. 1. Improved health. Regular walking boosts cardiovascular health, strengthens bones, and improves balance. 2. Social connections. Meet new people and strengthen community ties. 3. Motivation. Walking with a group keeps you accountable and makes exercise enjoyable. 4. Safety. There's added safety in numbers when walking outdoors. 5. Mental well-being. Fresh air and good company enhance mood and reduce stress. Planning your walking group. Starting a walking group is simple with a bit of planning. Here's how to begin. Define your group's purpose and goals. 1. Decide on the focus of your group. Casual strolls, fitness walking, or themed walks, like nature appreciation or historical tours. 2. Determine the frequency and duration of walks. Daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. 30 minutes to an hour. Identify your target members. 1. Are you inviting all seniors in the community, or focusing on a specific neighborhood or retirement community? 2. Consider accommodating different fitness levels by organizing separate groups if needed. Choose a group name. Pick a name that's welcoming and reflects your group's spirit, such as Golden Steps Walking Group or Silver Striders. Spreading the word. Now let's get the word out. Create promotional materials. 1. Flyers. Design simple flyers with all the essential information. 2. Bulletin boards. Post flyers at community centers, libraries, churches, and local cafes. 3. Social media. Use platforms like Facebook to create a group or event page. 4. Local newspapers and newsletters. Submit a community announcement or ad. 5. Word of mouth. Tell friends, neighbors, and family members. Provide clear information. Include the group's purpose, meeting times, locations, and contact information. 2. Encourage interested individuals to reach out for more details. Organizing the first meeting. Let's plan our initial get-together. Choose a convenient location. 1. Select a place that's easily accessible, such as a community center, park pavilion, or local coffee shop. Set a date and time. Pick a time that suits most seniors. Late mornings or early afternoons often work well. Prepare an agenda. 1. Introduce yourself and the idea behind the group. 2. Discuss preferred walking times, routes, and any concerns. 3. Gather input and suggestions from attendees. Establishing group structure. During your first meeting, assign roles. Optional. Coordinator, organizer, schedules walks and communicates with members. 2. Assistant coordinators, help with various tasks like route planning or member outreach. 3. Safety officer, focuses on safety protocols and first aid preparedness. Discuss group guidelines. 1. Set expectations for punctuality, participation, and communication. 2. Agree on policies for cancellations due to weather or other factors. Decide on communication methods. 1. Collect contact information. 2. Determine if you'll use email, phone calls, text messages, or messaging apps to stay in touch. Planning your walks. Time to plan your walks. Choose suitable routes. 1. Accessibility. Select paths that are well-maintained, flat, and accessible for all mobility levels. 2. Length and duration. Start with shorter walks, 20-30 minutes, and adjust based on the group's comfort. 3. Facilities. Opt for routes that have restrooms, benches, and water fountains. Consider variety. 1. Rotate between different parks, neighborhoods, or indoor locations like malls during bad weather. 2. Incorporate themed walks, such as garden tours or historical sites. Schedule regular walks. 1. Establish consistent meeting times to build routine. 2. Be flexible to accommodate members' availability when possible. Safety and comfort considerations. Ensuring everyone's safety and comfort is paramount. Encourage proper attire. Footwear. Wear comfortable walking shoes with good support. 2. Clothing. Dress in layers appropriate for the weather. 3. Visibility. Use reflective gear if walking near dusk or dawn. Bring essentials. 1. Water. Stay hydrated, especially in warm weather. 2. Sun protection. Hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen are important. 3. Personal items. Bring any necessary medications. Promote safe practices. 1. Warm-up. Begin with gentle stretches to prepare muscles. 2. Pace. Walk at a speed comfortable for everyone. Consider splitting into groups if needed. 3. Buddy system. Pair up members to ensure no one walks alone. Be prepared. 1. First aid kit. Carry a basic kit for minor issues. 2. Emergency contacts. Have members provide emergency contact information. 3. Weather awareness. Check forecasts and cancel or reschedule if conditions are unsafe, making walks enjoyable. Let's make our walks something everyone looks forward to. Social interaction. 1. Encourage conversation and getting to know each other. 2. Celebrate birthdays or milestones within the group. Add interest. 1. Incorporate activities like bird watching, photography, or scavenger hunts. 2. Invite guest speakers such as local historians or fitness instructors. Post-walk gatherings. 1. Plan optional meetups after walks for coffee or a light snack. 2. Hold occasional social events like potlucks or picnics. 4. Solicit feedback. 1. Regularly ask members for suggestions to improve the group experience. 2. Be open to new ideas and willing to make adjustments. Maintaining and growing the group. To keep the group thriving, keep communication open. 1. Send regular updates and reminders about upcoming walks. 2. Share photos and highlights from past walks. Encourage member involvement. 1. Invite members to lead walks or suggest new routes. 2. Foster a sense of ownership and community. Expand membership. 1. Welcome new members and make an effort to include them. 2. Continue promoting the group through local channels. Adapt as needed. 1. Be flexible with scheduling and activities based on group feedback. 2. Consider the changing seasons and adjust plans accordingly. Starting a seniors walking group is a rewarding way to enhance your well-being and build meaningful connections. I hope this guide inspires you to take that first step, literally. If you have any questions or need more tips, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor activities and tutorials tailored just for you. Happy walking, and see you on the paths. Safety reminder: always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new physical activity. Ensure all walks are planned with safety as the top priority.